Magandang lalaki po ako sa inyo lahat, mga kapatid. Atin po. I want to you this buko. This is made from Japan but from China. This is buko. In Japan, habuku. In China, jimburuku. This is tastes good, not sweet, but so tastes good. It's made made in Philippines. Natural buko. In Tagalog, nyog. Mura. Kupras. Pag sinasama ang buko tsaka nyog, ito ay sinasamahan ng may-ari ng mura.
Mura.
Mura, not mura. Mura. Okay? For our any suggestion or sequences, just dial *6 400 to 258. You must be, what is funny, huh? What is funny about? You must be thankful. So, come here in the Philippines and join us for the Mr. Boko Confidence. Sayo na yun, last.
Cut!